All right, we're going to start getting into some more rational equations by reviewing proportions. Now, these are going to start off easier and they're going to get more difficult. Now, when you have two fractions set equal to each other, just like we have in these examples, all you do is you take these two, you multiply them, and set that equal to the product of these two. It's called the cross products property. Okay? Then you solve it. So V is going to equal, I put 20 over 3 here because they're both divisible by 2. So you have to simplify the fractions once you're done. I'll take care of half of these, okay? You're going to show your work and, operate the other ones. I'm going to bounce to number 4 here. 3 times x is 3x. 9 times 5 is 45. We're going to divide both sides by 3. I get x equals 15. All right, 2 down, several to go. All right, now they're getting a little bit more difficult. So let me start with number 5. When you have these two multiplied, put 6 on the outside of x minus 5. Thanks. And then 4 times 8 is 32. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute the 6. So 6x minus 30, and it's equal to 32. Now I'm going to add 30 to both sides. 6x is equal to 62. From there, you're going to divide both sides by 6. You get x is equal to, now they're both divisible by 2. I get 31 over 3 as my final simplified answer. All right. So next up, let me jump to number 8 here. I'm going to do these two. So 6 times a minus 8, and that's equal to 2 times 7, which is 14. So I'm distribute the 6 now, and you're going to end up with 6a minus 48 is equal to 14. Then you're going to add 48 to both sides. So 6a is equal to, that's 62 again? Then you're going to divide both sides by 6, and we get the same answer we got for one of the previous problems, which is 31 over 3. Because you can take these two and divide them each by 2. Thank you very much. All right, now we have variables on both sides. Look out. So I'm going to go ahead and take these two. So 10 times a minus 6, and this is equal to 9 times a. All right, so got that set up. Now I'm going to distribute. So 10a minus 60, and it's equal to 9a. Now I'm going to subtract 9a from each side, because it's going to make something look nice. A minus 60 is equal to 0. Then we add 60 to both sides. Okay, a is equal to 60. Oh, no fraction on that one. Nice. All right. Now the next one, how about I do number 16? So these two, so I have 7 times m plus 10, and then it's equal to 6 times m minus 6. So let's go ahead and distribute twice. So 7m plus 70, this is equal to 6m minus 36. I'm going to subtract 6m from both sides. I get m plus 70 equals negative 36, and I'm going to subtract 70 from each side. I get m is equal to negative 106. All right, that's that one. Wait, that was 11 and 16. Okay, right, so I can do 11 now. Go back to 11. So 9x equals 8 times x minus 6. This is 9x equals 8x minus 48. I'm going to subtract 8 from x from each side. I get x is equal to negative 48. Done. All right. Next, let's see here. I'll do 13. So 4 times n plus 7 is going to equal 2 times n plus 8. So this will be 4n plus 28 when you distribute is equal to 2n plus 16. So I'm going to subtract 2n from each side. So 2n plus 28 equals 16. Then you're going to subtract 28 from both sides. 2n is equal to negative 12. Yeah, and then divide by 2. So n is equal to negative 6. Well, that was a fun one. All right, I've already done 16, so I suppose I could probably do 15. Why not? So these two, you get 2 times x minus 6, and then 6 times x minus 5. So I have 2x minus 12, and then I have 6x minus 30. So then I'm going to subtract 2x from each side. Okay, negative 12 is equal to 4x minus 30. Then I'm going to add 30 to both sides, because why not? I get 18 is equal to 4x. I've got a fraction on this one. Divide both sides by 4. We get x is equal to 9/2, or 9 over 2, or if you wanted, 4.5. But I like fractions better. All right. Already did number 16. I'll do 18, and maybe 20. Who knows? 6, and then a plus 3, and then 7, and a minus 8. So 6a plus 18 equals 7a minus 56. So subtract 6a from each side. 18 is equal to a minus 56. Then I have to add 56 to both sides. So I get a is equal to 74. Yep. All right, 19 or 20. Yeah, I'll do 20. All right, so number 20, I have 6 times x plus 10. And then I have on this side 4 times x minus 7. I'm going to double distribute, making it nice. So 6x plus 60. And then I have 4x minus 28. So now I'm going to subtract 4x from each side. 2x plus 60 equals negative 28. Then I'm going to subtract 60 from each side. I get 2x equals negative 88. So you divide both sides by 2, and you get x equals negative 44. All right, thank you very much. Finish the rest of ID 1, the first worksheet, 1 through 20 on your own. Thank you.